Lyzr clicked all the boxes for me, so that's where our journey started.
Let's talk a little bit about your journey, and then we'll get into maybe just the agentic journey that Movate's been on.
I have been building platforms similar to what Lyzr brings as an outcome for at least 4 or 5 years now. And when I joined Movate, I know what's the struggle it will take to build such kind of a platform. And this time I didn't have the time, nor I don't want to reinvent the wheel again.
Right.
And that's where I was looking for a platform where I can start fast, scale, and most importantly, I don't want to just stick with what the features that they have. I should have a pro code view of developing something more on top of it, because each client implementations are not just a plug and play, it's all going to be customized, right? So when it comes to AI, one thing that I learned is it's an ecosystem play, because
Right.
everybody has an AI component within any enterprise solutions today that we have. It's not going to be like I'm having something new that I'm going to only be with me.
Right.
Everybody has it. So how can I be in part of this ecosystem play is something that I can connect to and integrate very well, and then do something very fast. Lyzr clicked all the boxes for me, so that's where our journey started.